This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for November 27, 2023. It's currently October 4th, 2023, 9:12 p.m. Eastern Time. The S&P 500 at the time of this reading is currently 4,263.75, and the shuffle video we're about to play for you was created on September 25th, 2023 at 3:06 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, again, the art card, we've seen this on a few themes throughout the month, themes for the daily cards. And in this case, I think probably what it is a notable retracement of the move higher that we had on the 24th. Behavior around the high side, a prominent move into the high, somehow made irrelevant by chart behavior, indicated by the nullification. And by nullification, I mean the significator card for the high has no correspondences here on with the timeline cards, making it difficult to determine where the high is. My sense is that the high is first thing in the morning when we revisit this crest, but we'll talk about that in more detail as we progress through this. Behavior around the lows, though, we have an important technical price level on a multi-day scale near the low, and we should see volume or volatility kind of flatten out near that price level. And I'm advised to trade around a notable move higher staying out on a one-day chart at least. Before we go any further, my friends, the whole purpose of the channel, we want to make sure people follow the rule of karma. We're looking to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill, and you do that by going to our website, Tarot for Traders, clicking on the resources tab, and donating here through one of these click here links. 5% of the profits forward, 5% of the profits back to the channel, and that leaves you with 90% of the money. Make sure to spend that money out of love. As long as you follow those rules, my friends, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel for being an angel investor. My friends, don't be one of those fools who makes a profit on a trade and then it's like, I'll do it later and puts it off, or I'll do it down the road and puts it off. Like you could effectively shut off the flow of abundance, and once it's off, how do you turn it back on? Because you don't have the opportunity again. You know what I'm saying? So don't be one of those people that happens to. I've seen it happen, my friends. All right, so we have this big move in the morning. Interesting. So yeah, so I think we probably open lower in the pre-market, and there's either a notable decline in the pre-market followed by a big move back to a key resistance right around the open, or we have a notable gap down over the weekend and then a rally out of it into a key resistance right around the open. There's erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level there, and we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. So it's very possible that we see the high again here, but it'll be very briefly lived, and we should see in the first half hour a notable decline through multiple support levels, taking us to a lowest low, which will be a key technical price level where volume and volatility kind of flatten out. We may be able to determine where that truest level is. Let's see if we've got a truest card anywhere in the recent past. Oh, here on the 20th, might have something to do with that, might not. Too early to determine that, but I'll take a look at it when we get there. In any case, there's a crest that we sell off from between roughly 11 and 12 down to and through support. We do a U-shaped reversal below support, come back and reuse it as support, and then we have a notable reversal. There's a fast sudden move higher midday, like between roughly 12 and 1, and a notable reversal from that with there's 3 pokes through the same price level, and then a sharp drop taking us back to a low. It'll probably be a lower low, and then sideways fluctuating decline will take us into even lower low right there around the close, where we have price swings in the last hour, and a decline right around the close where we revisit a support level that we met once before. So I would look to get into a short position first thing in the morning when we revisit that crest, and I would close a short position at the end of the day at a low, or maybe sooner if I don't have the risk tolerance. Hard to determine where we open the following day based on the cards. A little difficult to determine that, but that's the S&P 500 for November 27, 2023. My friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, please share this channel with somebody that will benefit. We're looking to help people make money, but do it in such a way that they're also making blessings for themselves and for other people. All you got to do is tithe 10% of the income that you bring in. 5% forward, 5% back. Spend it out of love, and the universe is going to open up the floodgates for you, my friends. Be an angel investor. Blessings to all you angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.